Alright, in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of this 50-inch LG 50LN5700 LCD television. Now, I actually got this TV, and you actually can't really see it, sorry about that, but I actually got this TV for free off Freecycle. Now, when I got it, it didn't exactly work as it should. Basically, what happened was, when you turned it on, the backlight would come on for like a split second and then just shut off and not work at all. So after doing some research, I found that the issue was caused by a bad LED on one of the LED strips in the backlight. That's actually a common problem with these TVs. I believe the actual cause of it is a firmware problem that allows the backlight to run at too high of a brightness. So since I've repaired it, I've just gone ahead and turned down the brightness to about 30%, and even with the brightness that low, it still looks perfectly fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the LED strips right here. You can see that these are the replacements I bought, and I only paid about $20 for these 4 strips. Now the way these strips go together is each pair makes up one strip. So of course that's a 50-inch TV, and each of these strips is about half the size of the screen. So you put 2 of these strips together, and that makes one row of the backlights. So basically what happens with these strips is when one of the LEDs fails open, it causes the entire strip to go out, and since these are wired in series, it also causes the LEDs of other strips to go out. And in this case, the one LED that was bad, which is actually this LED right here, as I've noticed later, you can kind of see that it looks a little bit burned inside, and I might take this lens off so we can see that a little closer. But this LED right here was bad, and this is the only LED that was bad, and it was causing 3 entire strips to not illuminate whatsoever. And basically when that happens, each of these LEDs of course uses a bit of power, and when 3 entire strips are out, that significantly reduces the load on the power supply. And when the power supply sees that that load is not there, it shuts off and goes into protection mode, which is why the power supply only comes, or the backlight originally only came on for a split second and then shut off when the protection circuitry kicked in. So that's basically the whole problem of this TV, and after replacing one of the bad strips in the panel, it now works perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on real quick here. You can see that it is on and working. So let me wait till it comes up. Alright, so right there you can see the Verizon set-top box on HDMI 1 there. Now I'm going to go, I guess, grab a Xbox 360 or something to hook up to this just to show you the full quality of this panel. But this is definitely a nice set. This is a 1080p 120 Hz panel, and this is actually a smart TV also, which is quite interesting. It's 50 inches if I didn't mention that earlier. But yeah, let me go grab an Xbox 360, I'll hook that up, and I'll show you the quality of the panel, so I will be right back. Alright, so I've just gotten the Xbox 360 hooked up to the TV now, and this is actually quite a unique Xbox 360, as I'll show you in a second when I turn it on. But yeah, it's hooked up now, so let me just go ahead and power up the system. You can probably already tell why I say this is a unique console. Yep, it is running the original 2005 Xbox 360 dashboard, which is really cool. So yeah, it looks really nice on this screen, as you can see. And actually, this dashboard is lagging on this high screen resolution, which is quite weird. Never actually had that happen before. Yeah, it's pretty laggy. But yeah, the screen looks great. as you can see. So that is an overview of this LG 50LN5700 LCD television. Hope you enjoyed this video.